Exercise 4 is two views of the same object. So this is the front view. This here is a side view of the object. It's got a couple of things that you haven't been exposed to just yet. Fillets, for instance. So a fillet is a curve that joins two perpendicular lines together. Makes them round. Makes it nicer to handle objects that have got a fillet on them rather than a sharp edge like has been left up here. Okay, so we're going to draw this by starting with the left hand view. The order that you draw this in is actually sort of pretty important, I think. So anyhow, let's get started. Coming right across to leave room for the second view. We're starting with the right hand view there. And we're going to go across 42. Like so. And then up 36, and 36 is 72 plus 22 is 94. Then we're going along 6. Then down 36. Excuse me. Then across 22. So that's the 24 minus the 6 here. So that's 22. No, it's not. It's 18. That was some really good maths there. Then we're going to go down 22. Then across level with the front of the object here. Like so. And then click. And click. Okay, so far is so good. The center of this circle here is based on the midpoint of this line here. And I think we can prove that by doing this. So you can see middle from there to there. If you were to do this fillet here, what that actually does is shorten this line, which means that is no longer the midpoint of this line fragment. So before putting the fillets in, it's a good idea to draw this circle here. So just get rid of this. So we can do that. The distance that it is away doesn't really matter a whole bunch, just as long as you've got enough room. So we're going to click here. Make the radius 18 for the outside circle, or the outside radius. Do another circle here. Okay, so this one is diameter 16, which means it's radius 8. We'll do this again. So starting from here, and then we want to line it up. Pardon me again, with the middle of this, and then out. So you could actually type the number in, or you could attempt to cheat this way, but it's probably better to just type the number in. So that's 18. And another circle. So radius 8. Next we're going to create some tangential lines. These ones here. So let's go L. Use the tracking to take us out to intersection here. And then come down like that. That little green symbol, that is actually the tangent symbol. Let's do this again. Enter. We can use this line and this line to create the lines that go across here. So let's do that. So we're going to track out to here. Do it again. Okay. We may as well finish this off while we're at it. So we'll trim between this line and this line, enter, and then just select the bits that we want to remove. That's that done, so spacebar or enter or right click to end. Last but not least, we want to create these fillet radiuses, or these fillets. We haven't done fillets before, I don't think, so we'll do it now. So believe it or not, in order to create a fillet, you type fillet. It asks for the first object that you want to create a fillet of, but you have to make sure that the radius is set properly first. The default setting for the radius is 0. So if you were to change the radius, you'd have to go R, enter, and that says specify the fillet radius, which you can then make 4, hit enter, and then you can go back to clicking. So click, click, then hit spacebar, do it again. One more time. And that's that done. Last but not least, we're going to do the dimensioning, as we always do. We will annotate this drawing. Let's put the center marks in first this time. So dim center, spacebar to re-invoke. So here's our centers. We've got a radius and a diameter here. So the radius is this one. So the diameter is this one. Again, you would assume naturally that that dimension carries over, these two dimensions carry over down here unless given other information. Next, we'll dimension the linear stuff on this view here. So let's do that. So linear, and go from there to there, space, there to there, one more time, from there to there. So they're all nice and straight with each other, which is good. We like that sort of thing. And then the top ones here. And then the main overall dimension, like so. Okay, so that's our drawing dimensioned, and with our center marks and stuff. You notice this is different. This is a different way of showing the same thing. Actually, that dimension there is wrong, so let's delete that one. And we'll do it again. There we go. So it's the same thing, but different. You get the same result. There's no need to put this dimension here in, this 6th dimension, because if that's 42, that's 18 and 18, so 36 from 42 leaves 6. That's all that can be. Okay, as always, do it with the video, then practice it without the video. You'll be a master in no time.